Today I'm going to show you how to truss a chicken. Okay, here we have our whole chicken with the breast side up and the legs facing us. So here I have my butcher's twine. We're going to put the butcher's twine under the legs, and we're just going to tie a simple knot just to bring the legs together. Okay. Once you have the two legs together, we're going to flip this over with the breast side down and facing us. We're going to bring the string around and tuck the wings in as well. And we're just going to tie a simple knot. Okay, if you're going to do this at home, it's very important that you have the butcher's twine. You don't want to use just a simple thread. A simple thread will burn and fall apart in the oven. We'll trim off the excess. Okay, and this is a very important step whenever you're going to be roasting a chicken. This is going to give us more even cooking, and it's going to prevent the legs and the wings from burning. You can also do this with the turkey. So now we're ready to roast or marinate with our truss chicken.